a pre-owned 2016 Mazda CX-5 Grand Touring. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Mazda has less than 115,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.